Hi guys, welcome back. So, I hope you have read pages 9 through 13 and you had a blast just like I did. So, for this next part, you are going to record yourself reading one of these two passages and make sure you read them both before you decide which one you're going to record yourself. So, this is passage number 1 and this is passage number 2. And then this is the Flipgrid. You know Flipgrid, you have access to it. Just click there, record yourself. And in there, I created a video. How can you might say, Miss Puentes, but I don't have the book, so I'm going to read and record myself at the same time. So in the description of that topic, I have a video on how to record, how you can watch your screen while you're recording yourself. So make sure you watch that, okay? And then I'll see you next.